Mom and Dad said, come on in. The water's fine, let's begin. But oh no, my friends are here. Oh dear. Feet in the water, feeling cold. I try to jump, oops, lost control. Arms go left, legs go right. Now I'm splashing, what a sight. Bubble, puff and flail. Arms are waving like a whale. Try to float, try to kick. Why is swimming this tricky? Mom says paddle, you'll be fine. Dad says kick and take your time. But my friends just point and laugh, cause I did a belly splash. Flippers flipping, goggles tight. Now my floaty's on too tight. A noodle hits me, I take a pause. Then I trip, oh my gumballs. Bubble, blah and flail. Arms are waving like a whale. Try to float, try to kick. Why is swimming this tricky? Wait a second, hey, I'm fine. Floating now, feeling prime. Get my feet, move my hands. I'm swimming, this is grand. Splashing strong, feeling great. Watch me swim, feeling ace. Mom and Dad, look at me. Oh my gumballs. All my friends are cheering. I did it. I didn't fall. Now I'm faster than them all.